Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. US have just released its US advanced non-farm payroll numbers. Advanced non-farm payroll numbers came 692,000 versus 550,000, which is almost increase of more than 100,000, and that is just advanced number, and that is very good numbers for the index. However, index Dow Jones is trading 34,281. The numbers are good for index and bad for gold prices. Dow Jones is trading 34,281. It made high of 34,380 today. Currently it is trading almost 100 point lower from highest point and almost 120 points 100 lower from higher and 120 higher from the lower point of the day. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support today. Dow Jones resistance stands at 34,360. Dow Jones support, however, stands at 34,100. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if Dow Jones break 360 and manage to sustain above that level, then Dow Jones will enter in positive zone. After that it could test around 34,500 and 700. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will go to commodities. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is enjoying all the attention it could after trailing ahead from Dow Jones in recent weeks. Currently it is trading 14,570. Due to these two candles, Nasdaq have entered in weak zone, so let me give you the resistance and support now. Nasdaq resistance stands at 14,630. Nasdaq support stands at 14,480. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone. Avoid going for buy, but if Nasdaq breaks 630 and manage to sustain above that level, then Nasdaq will enter in positive zone. So make sure you do not hold any sell position if Nasdaq decides to go above 14,630. Let's move on to commodities now. This is gold chart. Gold price is trading 1759 almost. It was about to hit 1762, but advanced non-farm payroll numbers came and it dipped till 1754. Now gold is trying to recover, however it is still trading in weak zone. Let me give you the resistance and support. Gold resistance stands at $1767. Gold support, however, comes at $1748. Currently gold is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to silver, then we will see crude oil and forex. This is silver chart. Silver is trading 25.86. It recently made high around 26.94. It just missed the resistance which I have given. However, let me give you the resistance and support in this video. I usually update twice in a day, one in Asian session, one in US session. You are watching my US session video. For my Asian session video, you can subscribe my other channel. I have given link in description. Silver resistance stands at $26 now. Silver support, however, stands at $25.65 now. Currently silver and gold both are in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to crude oil, then we will go for forex and cryptocurrencies. This is crude oil chart, currently trading almost at the highest point of the day. Today's high is 74.11 and it is trading $74.04. Obviously it is trading in positive zone. I have cleared that already in my morning video. However, the resistance and support have changed. So the crude oil support now stands at $73. This is WTI crude oil, also known as US crude oil. Crude oil resistance, however, stands at $75.20. Currently crude oil trend is positive, so avoid going for sell. But if crude oil breaks $73 and manage to sustain below that level, then crude oil will enter in weak zone. Below $73, crude oil could test around $72 and $71. Let's move on to Forex. This is Euro chart. Currently Euro is trading 1880 after making a low around 1875. Dollar index is pressuring hard to Euro. Let's have a look at resistance and support now. Euro resistance stands at 1920 now. Euro support, however, have shifted to 1850 now. Currently Euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to GBP USD, then we will go for cryptocurrencies. And if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. And if you are enjoying this video so far, do not forget to press the like button. This is GBP USD. Currently it is trading at 3860. Let me give you the resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. GBP USD resistance stands at just above today's high, 3875. GBP USD support, however, stands at 3810. Currently GBP USD in weak zone, but as soon as market break 3875 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, GBP USD will enter in positive zone and it could fly up to 3950. Let's jump to the cryptocurrencies. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading $34,700. It recently made low of $34,475. Bitcoin have entered in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance in Bitcoin stands at $36,100. Bitcoin support, however, stands at $33,800. Bitcoin have entered in weak zone, as I have already told you, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Ethereum before concluding this video. This is Ethereum chart. Just like Bitcoin, it have also entered in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Ethereum resistance stands at $2240. Support, however, stands at $2080. Currently it is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For regular market updates, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.